3, 2, 1.
India is growing. We stand at a crucial juncture of rapid growth, industrialization, manufacturing and growing enterprise. Within this expansive industrial revolution, the environment, EHS, ecosystem, becomes imperative. The EHS ecosystem is a complex interconnected network of industrial support, organizations, individuals, and resources, collectively working toward a productive EHS framework. As India's growth accelerates, the EHS market size is projected to grow at 10.81% compounded annual growth rate from 2023 to 2029, reaching nearly $14.77 billion. India, a young nation with a rapidly growing workforce, has transformed its skilling model under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship to improve employability and economic growth. However, the environment, health, and safety (EHS) skill ecosystem is still lagging India as compared to the rest of the world. The establishment of the Safety Skill Development Foundation (SSDF) as a not-for-profit organization under Section 8 of Company Act 2013 and recognition as an awarding body under National Council for Vocational Education and Training (NCVET), Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India, emerged from a vision to create an institution to cultivate a culture of safety consciousness, empowering individuals through training and certification with the skills necessary to mitigate risks and respond adeptly to emergencies by developing industry-based National Occupational Standards (NOS) training delivery systems, assessment and certification in line with National Skill Qualification Framework (NSQF) and with new education policy of Government of India. The journey of SSDF began with a deep-rooted belief that every incident is preventable through proactive measures and a robust safety culture. The SSDF is offering a spectrum of high-quality safety skilling programs, tailored to the specific needs of different sectors and industries, and approved by NCVET, Government of India. These programs ensure skilling through rigorous training and hands-on experience, cultivate a diverse skill set skills encompassing risk assessment, hazard identification, emergency response, and regulatory compliances. SSDF carries out exhaustive skill gap analysis in various sectors including construction, infrastructure, hydrocarbon, iron and steel, mining, logistics, chemical, capital goods, manufacturing and carries out detailed occupational and functional analysis in areas like occupational safety, health and environment, fire safety, road safety, scaffolding, rigging, ergonomics, electrical safety, chemical safety, social and governance for various job roles. The focus is on identifying critical skill gaps in occupations bridging which can help industries to mitigate risks and reduce workplace incidents. Based on these findings, SSDF develops employable qualifications to enhance youth skills and meet industry needs and international standards. Current landscape. In India, a few organizations are working towards enhancing the EHS skill ecosystem, but with limited capacity. The demand for skilled safety personnel far exceeds the supply. Impactful results. SSDF with its effort is making a significant impact in the industry. Its industry collaborations have resulted in safety candidates trained and employed in various industries, and as a result, not only has the rate of accidents reduced but it has also fostered a robust safety culture within these institutions. Our credibility rests on significance of skills, integrated curriculum, theory-practice balance, experienced trainers, interactive tools, animations, and e-learning content, and a dedicated team of EHS professionals that are making a significant impact in the EHS industry. Safety Skill Development Foundation is dedicated to setting international safety benchmarks, promoting nationwide safety practices, and empowering individuals and industries to prioritize occupational EHS with its training partners, assessment agencies and industrial affiliates.
For more details, visit the Safety Skill Development Foundation website at www.ssdfindia.org. It's time to make safety a priority.